In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code to the head or footer HTML of HubSpot content. This is really useful when you need to add things like tracking pixels, analytics snippets, verification tags, or other scripts that should load on every page of a specific domain. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're signed in, look at the top toolbar and locate the gear icon. This icon takes you to your main settings area, which is where HubSpot keeps most of the configuration options for your site and tools. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings. Inside the settings panel, look for a section called Tools. Under Tools, you'll see an option for Content. Click on Content to expand it, and from there, select Pages. This is the area where you manage settings that affect the pages on your website. At the top of the Pages settings, you'll see a drop-down menu. This drop-down lets you choose which domain you want to edit, which is important if you have more than one domain connected to your HubSpot account. Open that drop-down and select the specific domain where you want the code to be applied. Remember, the code you add here will affect that domain, so double-check you've picked the right one. Now, make sure you're on the Templates tab. In most cases, this tab will open by default when you land on the Pages settings, but if not, just click on Templates to switch to it. On this tab, you'll see sections for your site header and footer. These represent the head and footer HTML areas that will load across your pages. To add your code to either the header or the footer, look for the option labeled Override Default Settings next to the section you want to edit. Click this option. This tells HubSpot that, for this domain, you want to use custom settings instead of any global defaults. Once you click Override, a field will appear where you can paste or type your custom code. Carefully add the code you've been given, whether it's a script, a meta tag, or another snippet. When you are finished, scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom to apply your changes. And that's it. Your code is now added to the head or footer HTML for that domain's HubSpot content.